Your question about unresolved issues.
That is,
You see,
1971.
My dear brother, in 1974, first time that issue was resolved in writing. The document is historic and is available for both countries. And after that, General Musharraf came here, and in a very open and candid manner, he actually addressed that issue. And I think between a family, between brothers, once this is done, even Islam tells us to clean your heart. So I think let's move forward. We have to work together. We have a bright future in this. So you see, this has been done actually, and the issue was resolved twice. 1974 and then early 2000 when General Musharraf visited, and he told the entire nation, on behalf of the entire nation of Pakistan, to the entire on behalf of Pakistan to entire nation of Bangladesh. So I think now what a religion, whatever Islamic teaching, what the Holy Quran, what the Sunnah of Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam tells us, then you should have cleanest heart and move together. And we are a family, and we should work together. There is a great potential that we should serve. Me, my brother Tawheed, and the entire team should work together to do as better as possible for the peoples of the two countries.